Hey dear pizza pals, welcome back to Robby Hobby, your go-to destination for delicious recipes that are as easy as they are tasty. I'm your host Robby, and today we are diving into the world of guilt-free pizza with a twist: broccoli crust pizza. Trust me, your taste buds and your body will thank you for this one. So let's get started. Alright, first thing first, let's gather our ingredients. We have got about 2 pounds of broccoli, some garlic, fresh coriander, eggs, shredded cheese, oregano, Parmesan cheese, garlic powder, and salt. Now let's get cooking. We'll start by boiling our broccoli until it's nice and tender. You can also steam it if you prefer. Once it's cooked, chop it up into tiny pieces. Now in a big pot, we'll mix together our chopped broccoli, minced garlic, fresh coriander, eggs, shredded cheese, oregano, Parmesan cheese, garlic powder, and a pinch of salt. Mix it all up until it's well combined. Next, line a baking tray with a parchment paper and spread out your broccoli dough into a nice, even layer about half-inch thick. Pop it into the oven at 350 degrees for about 25 minutes. Once it's baked, take it out and add a layer of sliced mozzarella cheese on top, followed by some fresh mozzarella. Now it's time to get creative with your toppings. I'm adding some onions, garlics, and some fresh coriander, but feel free to use your favorite toppings like pepperoni or chicken. Pop it back into the oven for another 5 minutes until the cheese is gooey and melty. And voila! Your delicious mouth-watering cheesy pizza is ready to devour. Thanks for joining me on this culinary adventure, folks. I hope you enjoyed making this broccoli crust pizza as much as I did. Okay friends, I don't have any taste today, so I guess I'll be tasting my own pizza. But wait, let me get some seasoning. I have a little bit of oregano. A little Parmesan cheese. Black pepper. Wow, so already looks good. And a little bit of garlic powder. Okay, now let's cut this pizza. Remember, making your own pizza at home not only saves you from the guilt of ordering out, but also lets you get creative with flavor and toppings. Ready? Let's take this. Wow, cheesy. So good. You don't need to buy pizza outside. You can make this healthy, crispy, cheesy pizza at home. Look at this. I'm sure Archie is gonna love this. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Robby Hobby for more tasty recipes and cooking tips. Until next time, keep cooking, keep smiling, and keep those taste buds happy. Bon appetit. See you in the kitchen.
Yum.
Perfect slice of pizza. You can also add some marinara sauce on it. Yum, yum. Kids who don't like broccoli, let them try this pizza. Don't tell them it's made of broccoli. Well, let's see what they have to say. This is the best way to feed some greens to the kids. That's it. I'm gonna save this for Archie tomorrow.